Hi all, we are here on Church Street and let's find out what really people remember about their teachers. Come, let's go and ask them. Can I know who is your favorite teacher?
Mine is my chemistry teacher, Lakshmi ma'am.
RP Singh sir.
Probably my history teacher.
Probably my biology teacher.
My teacher named Pooja ma'am gives me homework.
Her name is Vranda ma'am, right? So she was my Hindi teacher.
My dad, I'd say.
Ajay sir, who was my visual representation teacher.
Ramesh sir, Chandrika miss, Vedant miss.
Purman.
Usha ma'am.
Maths teacher,
Uh-huh.
Mr. Ramaswamy.
My physics teacher in 10th class, her name is Satya Lakshmi.
Why is it she so special?
She used to always nag at us. You know, there's no freedom at all. She used to scold us, but still, she was kind of funny. Let us do things, like make jokes. Oh, I loved her. Yeah. She's fun. She's very cool. She gets every student. She's not the typical teacher.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, she's fine.
She was really cute.
Cute in a sense?
She's very nice and sweet, like talking to students, everything. So yeah, I'd say my biology teacher.
Teachers stick to syllabus and like work on that itself, like teaching the students. This teacher is something like different. She teaches syllabus as well as experiences that she faced or like one of her family members faced, like the stories that she incorporates. Yeah. She somehow incorporates that to the syllabus and that somehow makes the class more interesting. Like Hindi as a subject generally, she makes it very interesting.
Correct.
So I really love that.
I've learned a lot of things and I want to be more like him. So yeah, everybody is a teacher in a way.
Correct.
But yeah, my favorite would be my dad.
In the start of my first year, I was really bad at whatever I was doing. Horrible. But then he was really supportive, really encouraging. And at the end of my year, I scored really well in my first year. And I think he was the greatest push I had. So
They gave me the career. To be frank, they taught me each and everything from the beginning. So yeah, they're all my favorite teachers.
ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೇ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಫೇವ್ರೇಟು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್.
ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I don't know, it was just respect and how he taught us. And he was a very good disciplinarian. Okay, so maybe at that age we needed a person, and he was very strict also, but we never used to shout, but a very strict person.
she wouldn't teach physics like physics. She would teach physics like a comedy movie or something like that. So she would name the elements in the periodic table like human beings, and so yeah, she was very funny, and so we remembered most of the concepts even in the board exam.
Did you ever got a punishment from your teacher?
Always, most of the times.
Oh yeah, once I was made to stand on the bench because I was sleeping in the class.
I was once made to climb on a bench because I came late to the class. Yeah, it totally sucks.
There was this one time where we had to sing the national anthem, and I was like, the person who was standing right behind me, she was like, go friend, because she was unable to stand. And I just did this.
Okay.
And I was made to stand out for the rest of the day.
And Joseph, I still laugh to this day. Me and my friend were punished, and the other guy behind us, he was eating lunch while the teacher was teaching, and I still laugh. I think of it, I'm still laughing.
We hadn't done our assignments. He made us eat green chili in class. Yeah, and all of us had to eat it, and I think that was the best, funniest punishment we've had.
Not really, because I was a topper in my class. So I used to give punishment to my teammates, but yeah, no.
Go and kneel down in the class, outside the class and all that. So it was a moment of embarrassment for us.
Your parents or teacher, who scolds you the most? Like, from whom you got the best scolding?
Parents, of course.
Parents.
My dad, yeah.
I would say parents.
So, what is the difference you see in teachers from school and college?
It's totally different because school was, it was very kind of strict and you didn't have that much freedom. But yeah, college is completely different.
Anything that you have a special mention to your dad or at this moment, because you feel him as your best teacher, right? So on occasion of the Teacher's Day, you want some words to him?
So I'd like to say, I don't like when you scold me. But at the same time, I love that you scold me. It shows that you care about me. Thank
Yes.
you very much.
If you see that teacher right now, what will be your reaction and what will you go and tell them?
I go and meet them at least once in every year. I even wish them for Teachers' Day. So I am in contact with them. It's not like suddenly if I meet them, like, no.
What is your message to them on your this Teachers' Day?
Teachers are special.
They're guru for us. They're second mother, father for us.
He's no more. My respects to him. I'll never forget him.
I would just go and hug her.
Many stories, one single answer. Teachers stay with us forever. So, from LLRI family, I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. So, tag your favorite teacher in the comment box below.